Hi, welcome back to my channel, BKM Tech Reviews. So in this video today, I've got a mini haul from Temu. So it's two products that they've sent out to me. So I hope everybody's heard of Temu. It's a bit like Amazon, where they've got some really cheap products, but really good quality. So they've sent out two products to me. So this is the bag that they come into. So this is the two items in here. So what we're going to do, we're just going to open this and have a look to see what's inside and go through the two products. So obviously once I've done all that, I will leave the links below. So let's just get straight into the video and have a look at these products that Temu have sent me. Right, so let's have a look at the first item that Temu sent me. So this is the first item. So it's some conductive earphones that go behind the ear. So these are bone conductive headphones, which are Bluetooth. So we'll have a look and unbox those now and see what you get inside the box. These are the bone conductive headphones from Temu. So they're the BL09. So more than one new idea. So these are Bluetooth. So you can enjoy music. They're sport headphones, bone conductive headphones. So let's just unbox these and just see what you get inside the box. So let's just take them out. So that's them outside of the box. So, obviously the packaging is quite cheap, but you do get a USB cable to charge them. And it is a USB-C as well. So this is the cable that you get. So let's just take the bone conductive headphones out of the box. Well, the packaging. So this is what they look like outside of the box. So I will try these out, obviously, and see how I get on. I will do an independent review on these. So this is the first item that Temu sent me. So, what do you think? They're not expensive. You have got, more expensive bone conductive headphones. But I will do a separate review to see how I get on with these. So we're just going to move on then to the next product. So the next product that Temu sent me in this mini haul is the E99 Drone Pro. So this is a mini toy drone. So as you can see, it's packaged well. So this is a Wi-Fi drone. So this is what they sent to me. So we'll have a look at what that looks like now, what you get inside the box, and unbox it. This is the E9 Drone Pro. So it's for 14 plus ages. So this is it inside the box. So it's got speed control, gesture manipulation, optical flow, large capacity battery. It's got avoidance on it, HD camera as well. So this is it in the box. So let's just have a look of what you get inside. So, all right, it comes in a nice little case. So let's just put the box to one side. So, all right, okay. So comes in a nice travel case. So let's just open that and just see what's inside. Right. So this is what you get inside. So there's the drone. So we'll have a look at that in a minute. So, all right, you get 3 batteries. So these are the batteries inside this packaging. So you get 3 batteries. So I'll have to test it and see how long the batteries last. So that's the batteries. Also, you've got some propeller guards in here. and spare propellers as well. And then you've got some instructions here on how to fly the drone. So if you're quite used to drones, it shouldn't be a problem. So this is the remote that you get with it. So it is obviously a toy drone, so you got your on and off there, and you got your joysticks there. And then I don't think these antennas are real, so they'll probably be false antennas. But you know, if you're new to drones and you just want a cheap drone to have a go with, you know, this is ideal. So let's just have a look at the drone itself. So this is the drone. Right, okay, so it's a really small drone. So let's just open up the, all right. So it just opens like this. So, you know, it's about, fits in the palm of my hand. So it is a really small mini drone. And there you've got the HD camera there. So it says drone 12 on it. These must be sensors, but I'll have to try that when I get that outside. And there's the power button to turn it on. And that's where you put the batteries in. So like I said, this is just an unboxing of what Temu have sent me on this. So I will do a separate review on these products as well. So it's just an unboxing of what they sent me. I hope you like that unboxing of that mini haul by Temu that they sent out to me. Like I said, I will do some independent reviews on both those two products. I will leave the links in the description and the product codes to purchase these two items. So we'll have a look at those in a separate video. But check out the links below, and I hope you like the video. If you could like and subscribe to my channel, that would be much appreciated because it helps the algorithm. And also I've got more tech reviews coming as well on my channel, BKM Tech Reviews. So hope to see you soon on my channel, BKM Tech Reviews. Have a nice day.